every major city, from New York to London, from Dubai to Sydney, there's a quiet transformation happening inside the world's most exclusive spas. A once routine beauty treatment has become something far more refined, an experience shaped by science, comfort, and care. This is the art of the Brazilian wax redefined by luxury and precision. In premium countries, self-care isn't just about looking polished. It's about how a treatment makes you feel. Luxury spas understand that today's clients value privacy, professionalism, and peace. Every detail from the scent in the room to the softness of the sheets is designed to calm the mind and prepare the body. The modern Brazilian wax isn't a quick fix, it's a ritual of renewal. What makes a luxury wax so different is what you don't feel. The sting, the pull, the tension. Hay and spas invest in advanced wax formulations created by dermatological experts, blends infused with chamomile oil, gold particles, and vitamin E to reduce sensitivity. The wax warms at lower temperatures, protecting the skin while effectively removing every strand of hair. This isn't guesswork. It's chemistry refined to perfection. In elite salons, skill is everything. Aesthetic professionals are trained not just in technique, but in anatomy, hygiene, and human connection. They know how to read body language, when to pause, and how to time each motion for minimal discomfort. In places like Beverly Hills or Dubai Marina, these experts are trusted not only for results, but for the confidence they help clients rediscover. A luxury waxing session feels more like a wellness appointment than a beauty task. Soft music, filtered light, and aromatherapy create an atmosphere where you can truly relax. The service is never rushed. Each client receives an individual consultation. Skin type, sensitivity, and comfort level all matter. This personal attention is what transforms a simple beauty routine into a 5-star experience. Elite spas know that care continues after the wax. Clients receive post-treatment guidance, how to soothe the skin, how to maintain softness, and how to prevent irritation naturally. Light exfoliation after a few days, hydration with vitamin-rich serums, and breathable fabrics help the skin stay smooth and radiant. It's not just about removing hair. It's about maintaining the health of your skin. The art of the Brazilian wax is more than a beauty trend. It's a statement of care, precision, and confidence. When luxury meets science, discomfort fades, and self-care becomes effortless, because true elegance isn't about what people see. It's about how you feel within your own skin. Thank you for watching. This is MTH Health, where global wellness meets the art of modern beauty.